Instant Vortex Plus not powering on? Try these 3 fixes first. If your Instant Vortex Plus won't turn on at all, no lights, no beeps, completely dead, there are 3 quick things to check before assuming it's broken. Step 1. Plug directly into a grounded outlet. The Vortex needs stable, grounded power to boot up. Skip surge protectors, power strips, and under-counter outlets. Plug it straight into a wall socket and make sure the cord is fully inserted. If the outlet feels loose, switch to a different one. Step 2. Make sure the basket is fully inserted. The fryer won't power on unless the basket is pushed all the way in and seated correctly. Pull it out, check for obstructions along the rails, then reinsert it until it clicks flush with the front. If the track is greasy or sticky, it may not slide in far enough to trigger the sensor. I use a crevice brush to clean inside that rail. It gets into the narrow slot without damaging anything. Step 3. Try a different outlet to test power flow. If nothing happens after steps 1 and 2, test the outlet by plugging in something else, like a phone charger or lamp. If the second device doesn't turn on either, you've found the problem. If it does and the fryer is still dead, it's time to contact instant support using the link in the description. If this helped you get your Vortex powered back on, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you found gunk or grease along the basket track, I've linked the crevice brush I use below. It's narrow, durable, and makes it way easier to seat the basket properly. Thanks for watching, and plug in smart.